helmet hood. Anyway, gonna stop, get something to eat. But rain clouds moving in, so I had to get home. Darn it. Anyway, cool. Happy day after Thanksgiving, man. Thanksgiving. What am I saying? Happy day after Christmas. Happy day after Christmas. Our big day is going to be Saturday. Yep. Yep. Yeah, she treats me well. Working project. Need to take this one out. It's been a while. Slingshot. Yeah.